Hey there YouTube, this is Noah's Welding, or Noah back with Noah's Welding. Another video for y'all. Oh, Dory, I can't tell. But anyway, so I just want to do a little update on the trail so far. Getting there, just about. Got quite a bit done. I'll show y'all anything new I got going on. But let me tone y'all out and I'll show y'all what's new. Okay, so we got a couple little updates on the trail. As you see, I got the jack put on. I put a piece of 5-inch C-channel I had up in the middle there and welded that in. Welded this to a plate and then welded the plate to the C-channel. That way, if I do have to cut this off, I can just cut into the plate and not worry about cutting into the actual channel itself. But this is as you see, it's a Bulldog, 8,000 pound capacity. With this, it's the drop leg style, which I like. I wanted that just because it's a heavy duty trail and I just wanted a good jack on it. I actually found that on Amazon. It was a used one, which had some scratches and stuff, but it was missing one bolt, but it was like half the price and I could buy it on Amazon, let alone locally. So I got a pretty good deal on that. Got the adjustable coupler on there. Yeah, do a couple more welds on there. I capped all that out basically, but other than that, it's pretty much set. Oh yeah, and then I picked up, I don't know if I told you on my last video, but I picked up some new tiles. The rims aren't aren't brand new, but the tiles themselves are. Found them somebody on Facebook Marketplace, and they had a whole bunch of these. You get them by the truckloads, so I was able to pick up a set of 4 tiles. I mean, some of them still got the little, what they call it, on them. They look like they may have been used once or twice, but that's about it. And for me, I don't really care if they've been used once or twice, as long as they work. I think I paid $220 for a set of tiles and rims. I can get 2 for that price locally, or anywhere really. So that was a good deal. I'm gonna go through and I gotta pressure wash the whole trail once I'm done. But right now I got a whole bunch of stuff I'm doing to it. So, but yeah, I got that all set. I gotta put a cross member up here on the front. I'll show y'all. Probably somewhere in here. Just put a cross member there just for stability. Might come back and tie into there. I don't know yet. Probably a little overkill. But I'm debating on what I'm gonna do. I think up here I'm gonna take and put a like a little box down there. Maybe like a 6-inch, put a plate at the bottom, put a plate at the top that hinges up or something. So I can put all my straps, chains, all that in there. I like that. My dad's 16-footer, we have one of those plastic box up front here, and that works great. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. I still gotta figure that out, but there's a whole lot of space here that could be used. I've seen people put, which what I'm thinking about doing that solid. Back here, I got some mesh, a stainless steel, putting it back here, and then have this for like just whatever, chains or whatever. But still thinking about that. Let me know if y'all have any ideas on that. And I do want to put a trail hitch somewhere up here for my winch. So if I need to winch something on the trail, I'll probably tie that in back here somewhere. Just a 2-inch receiver. That way I have my winch up there and winch something on the trail if needed, or something of that nature. But that's the plan with that. The only thing I might still have to do is put some gussets right there. Do I need it? Probably not, but this is a Noah trail, so it is gonna be overbuilt by anybody's standards. That's it. I just gotta place the order, but put all new wheel bearings on it. I'm gonna get at least, I wanna replace all the what they call it, the backing plates for the brakes. Took off one, they were missing everything really, had one shoe in it. So I thought about just gonna go through and replace them all with brand new backing plates. They're like $50 a piece or something, so not too bad. That way I know all the brakes are set. We're doing all the wiring. And then, yeah, I mean, it's a lot of work, but it's a fun little project for me. And then you gotta figure out what color to paint it. If y'all want, if y'all have any suggestions on what color to paint it, leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear it. Could go with black, but that's just the traditional trail About like a red or blue or something. Thought about similar to that, maybe a lighter blue to that. Similar to my logo. I'm kind of leaning towards that blue, but we'll see. Other than that, I'm trying to think of anything else. I still gotta finish the dovetail, but I gotta get that. I gotta get a piece of steel to do that. But I'll get that in the next, probably this week sometime. I'm just working on this when I have time. It's a fun little project. Oh, then actually on my actual tongue itself. I meant to pick that up the other day. Yeah, like I said, it's a fun little project. I can get and do it when I want, when I got some time, and just fun. Keeps me busy. This is more of a hobby project than a lot of my projects are. So, but yeah, like I said, let me know if y'all have any ideas on what color to paint it and everything. But well, one other thing I want to mention is I picked up one of these today. Oh, the other day. I had a job. The stair job I did, there's a lot of scale. This would have came in handy. I should have picked it up beforehand, but I had to go up and go to another job, and I was going by a Harbor Freight, so I picked up. This is a small needle scale. I'm liking it so far. I haven't really put it to too much use like on actual project, but for like slag, it's worked good. Scale is what it really works for, hence the name needle scale. But yeah, so I just wanted to do a little update on that. I mean, so far I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. One's pretty good. I was debating whether to get the small one or the big one. The small one seems to be sufficient for what I do. So yeah, but yeah, now I'm gonna get cleaned up. I gotta go with the wife to Walmart, I think. So, but yeah, another little update is on the crane. The pump's in. I had a buddy who was ordering some other stuff, so to save on shipping, and he ordered like a pallet full of stuff from that place, so he went ahead and ordered it for me, and I just paid him. So that's up there. I'm probably gonna be up there the first part of this week, sometime this week after work, and I don't know if we'll get it mounted up there. I might see if I can take some video up at his place, because he's after that his trailer over there, but he's a great guy. He knows a lot about hydraulics and little machines, and just a wealth of knowledge. We'll see what we got going. He said he needed my help this week, so if I can, I'm going to see about taking some video up there and bring it to y'all, because I think it'd be pretty interesting. All of his equipment is interesting, and I think it'd be something that y'all would like to watch. But let me know if you do. But yeah, I think that's about it. That's about it for today. So yeah, I'll keep you up to date on the auto crane and the trailer. Oh, by the way, the forklift been running pretty good. I don't know if I mentioned this, but it will run on diesel. I found that out the hard way, but it smokes like crazy. I had a can, I didn't mark it, it had some diesel in it, put it in it. She smoked like crazy, but I ended up filling, I only put like maybe a half gallon or a gallon in it. Filled the rest of the way up with fuel, and then ran it out, and then I just put another tank on. Still got a little smoking from it, but it's all good. But I'm gonna get cleaned up, get out of here, but I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get notifications whenever I post. I'm trying to get more consistent on it, and I would be. Problem is my internet sucks. I gotta figure out some different way to upload, because I got like 1.5 megabytes, or not megabytes, 1.5, whatever that is. I'm not that, and that's like nothing compared to a lot of places have like 100. So needless to say, it takes forever for any videos to upload, especially videos from like my GoPro or whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna try figuring something out for that. I can always go over to my parents. It's just normally when I think about it, it's like 11 o'clock at night. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.